Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Arjun Bopanna from Mentors for IAS, your anthropology faculty. If you want to score high marks in paper 2, especially in the section of tribal India, what I would suggest is that every point, every argument, every area that you are going to write answer on, make sure that you add case studies. This case studies will help you to substantiate arguments, will help you to justify the points that you're trying to make. So these real life examples will impress the examiner and you will be able to score really good marks. But the challenge is that there are hundreds of tribes and remembering all of them would be definitely challenging. So practically what you're supposed to do, what I would suggest you to do is try and remember about 15 to 20 tribes, not from a particular point of view, but entire tribe, like 5 to 6 points about the tribe you are supposed to know. Something which is common, something where some tribes which can you use it in different places. Now I'll give you an example. Now you can study, for example, for malnutrition one tribe, for alcoholism one tribe, for poverty one tribe. On the other hand, if you study one tribe which is affected by a lot of factors, you can use that tribe to write any answer that is asked in the exam. For example, the tribe Juang, which is found in Odisha. Now, where all you can use this, you can use it in PVTG as an example, because it's a PVTG tribe. Now, you can write from a cultural point of view because they practice hunting and gathering. You can write it from a religious point of view because they are animistic in nature. Now, coming to the problems, so there's malnutrition, there poverty, and many of them are losing their traditional livelihood and they're migrating in search of job. So problems you can write about migration, where depopulation, etc. Similarly, you take another tribe like the Chenchus found in Andhra Pradesh or in Telangana. So that also is a PVTG, suffering from sexual transmitted diseases, migration, okay, culturally hunting and gathering tribe. Culturally, they also have their unique dialect and things like that, which is again at the verge of extinction. So when you select these tribes, make sure that they can be used in different areas of the syllabus. So this way, you revise that 15 to 20 and whatever type of question is asked, you'll be able to write 1 or 2 case studies for each of the points that you are arguing about. I hope this will help you. Practice it and you will realize how easy it is to score really high marks. For more such tips, make sure you subscribe to our channel. If you want crash course on anthropology after your prelims, do contact us. Or if you want comprehensive material, you can download that from our website, mentorsforias.com. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.